In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a new column on the WooCommerce orders page. If you're running an online store using WooCommerce, you know that managing your orders efficiently is key to your business success. Sometimes the default order columns in WooCommerce might not provide all the insights you need at a glance. Maybe you want to see more detailed information without having to click into each order. Luckily, WooCommerce allows you to customize your orders page by adding or removing columns according to your needs. This process can enhance your workflow and help you manage your orders more effectively. First things first, you'll need to navigate to your WordPress dashboard. This is basically your control center where you can manage every aspect of your website. If you're already logged into your WordPress site, you're halfway there. If not, go ahead and log in now. Once you're in the dashboard, look for the WooCommerce option. It's usually located on the left-hand side menu. Hover over or click on WooCommerce and you'll see a drop-down menu. From this menu, select Orders. This will take you to the Orders page where you manage all your customer orders. It's a pretty straightforward step, but it brings us closer to our main goal. Now, here comes a step which might be easy to miss if you're not familiar with WordPress's interface. On the top right-hand corner of the Orders page, you'll find a button labeled Screen Options. This little button is easy to overlook, but it holds the power to customize what you see on your screen. Upon clicking Screen Options, a panel will slide down, presenting you with various checkboxes corresponding to different columns you can display on your orders page. This is where you customize your view. The Screen Options panel allows you to check or uncheck columns according to what information you find most useful. For instance, if you want to quickly see the shipping address without having to enter each order, simply check the box next to Shipping Address or any other information you deem necessary. It's all about making the information you need accessible and making your workflow more efficient. After you've selected the new columns you wish to add, the changes will apply immediately. There's no save button, so don't worry about looking for one. Just close the Screen Options panel and you'll see your orders page refreshed with the columns you added. The beauty of this process is its simplicity and the immediate impact it can have on your order management strategy. Now you might be wondering, what if I want to remove some columns? The process is just as simple. Just go back to the Screen Options and uncheck any columns you no longer wish to see. The flexibility to customize and adjust based on your evolving needs is a key strength of WooCommerce. Before we wrap up, here's a tip that can further enhance your experience. Sometimes the reason you might want to add additional columns is to track specific details about your orders more closely. If you find yourself frequently adding and removing columns, it might be worth exploring additional plugins or custom solutions that can provide deeper insights or automate certain aspects of your order management. WooCommerce has a vast ecosystem of plugins and extensions, so there's a good chance you'll find something that fits your specific needs. And there you have it. Customizing your WooCommerce orders page by adding new columns is a simple yet powerful way to streamline your order management process. Whether it's to keep a closer eye on certain order details or to speed up your day-to-day operations, this small adjustment can make a big difference. Remember, running an online store is all about efficiency and providing excellent service to your customers. The more you tailor your WooCommerce platform to suit your business's unique needs, the more you can focus on growth and customer satisfaction. Thank you for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips on managing your WooCommerce store. Happy selling!